how to create a Bitcoin wallet or a Bitcoin BTC account. Okay, step by step. So somebody asked this question, commented on one of my videos and wanted to know this step by step. I hope I upload this video today. Okay, so I'm going to just search for Binance. You can use that. You can search on any browser. I'm searching on Chrome. So then these platforms, you just create, what am I saying? You can use any platform, whether Binance or Coinbase or Trust Wallet, but I'm so conversant with Binance. So when you ask me, I'll definitely do a tutorial for Binance. Okay, so you want to create a Binance account. So a Bitcoin account is not like a bank account you go and open in a certain bank. I don't know if you can do that physically, but like I'm team online. Okay, so online, how to create a Bitcoin wallet, a Bitcoin account, it's the same as Bitcoin wallet address. If somebody told you send me your Bitcoin wallet address or send me your Bitcoin account, it's the same thing. All right, don't confuse, it's just the same thing. All right, that there's specific digits that are special to you. Okay, they're yours, nobody shares that. Okay, so you just create an account with Binance. I'm illustrating using Binance. This is what I know best, this is what I use. Okay, so just put in your email, you create a new account with Binance. Okay, you go to binance.com, create a new email. You want to verify, because I mean, this is your account, like this is your wallet, it's your handbag, yeah, so you want to verify and stuff like that. If you want to, you know, like ask a specific question, you can send me a message on Telegram and I guide you, like maybe if you're having issues with verification and stuff like that. Yeah, but basically this is it, unless you're having issues. But if you have your national ID or your residential ID, you can verify. Okay, on any platform. So you create a personal account on Binance. Me, I already have one. So if that is difficult, I've left a link. I'll leave a link also. You can follow and go to Binance, or just go to your Google Play or App Store and search for Binance. And then you want to download the app. Actually, it's very easy on the app. I'm Team Mobile. So if you can access this on your new PC, that's still fine. But I'm Team Mobile. I'm Team Mobile because I can take it wherever I go. So I'm going to just sign in my Binance right away, and then I'm going to show you on my personal Binance account how you can generate your BTC account wallet address. Okay, so I'm just putting in my biometrics. That's why the screen is blank, because they will not allow me to screen record this. So this is the Binance homepage, how it looks like on mobile. You want to make sure you're signed in Binance Pro. Hey, this is how it will look like. Okay, so this is home, and then you go to you go right away to wallets. Then wallets, still we have overview up there. Then there is spot, then there's funding. So you want to click on funding if you want to get your wallet, either USDT wallet address, or someone says you send me your USDT account. Hey, you don't go Googling what is my USDT account. No, you just go to your Binance or Trust Wallet or Coinbase or something. So without any further ado, funding, you just search for BTC, Bitcoin. As you can see, it just comes right away. Okay, BTC. Now this is your account that you're going to get. You click on deposits. Now in Binance, I have a similar video on this, but somebody just asked this specific, you know, like I thought it's obvious, but yeah, some of the things you have to be like step by step, you know. So you go and click on Bitcoin, all our Bitcoin. Now choose network. You want to choose on the first one, that is the Bitcoin you want. Isn't it what you want? It is what you want. So why am I like this sometimes? Okay, so as you can see, that is your deposit address. Now deposit address, it doesn't mean you're sending this money to somebody or you're sending your account to, like deposit, it means this is an order for someone to deposit BTC to your account, to your BTC account in Binance or something like that. Okay, sorry guys. Now you copy that and send it to anyone, anywhere, wherever you want, if you want to receive BTC. Yes, and that is your Bitcoin account. All right, so if you have any other questions, you can ask me on Telegram. There are links in the description, and I'm going to leave one in this video. Until next time, bye.